So we're all set then for round 30 of the Quick Fit British Touring Car Championship 2021. One last time, let's do it. It's the reverse grid race. The red lights come on and we're about to go into action here with Stephen Jelly on pole position, leading the charge then on the way into Paddock Hill Bend. It's a good start for him. Chilton in second. Ash Sutton's already there. Into third place as they go to Paddock Hill Bend. The two BMWs nose to tail as they go through the corner. The escape road there into the inner paddock, so they might be able to get the car out of the way without a safety car. We'll wait and see. But for now, the race leader, Stephen Jelly, the pole sitter, 3 times a winner in the British Touring Car Championship, leads the charge through Hawthorne and out towards Westfield for the first time in the race. The on the big screen there, you can see is Jake Hill, a little tap, but he gets past Jack Goff and gains a place. Hyundai just ahead of him is his next target as he goes down through Dingledale and climbs up towards Sheen Curve. Stephen Jelly already about to go to the left-hander at Stirling though, as the race leader here, looking for a victory for WSR and Team BMW, which will be his first win since autumn 2019, if he can hang on to this. But
Ash has already got it then.
Because Ash Sutton has come through back into the shot and back into second place, so he's gained a place back here.
Oh, here we go.
And now he's gone from 4th to 2nd. He wants to win the race here. This is the Ash Sutton that we've all come to love over the years, the one that goes on the attack. He's not thinking about potentially. They come into the left-hander at Graham Hill Bend. Somebody's kicked up the dust, going up the Hellwoods Hill. And Colin Turkington sent out one coming out of Graham Hill Bend. Has gone onto the grass, into a half spin and way down the order. Just about sums up his day, I'm afraid. And he's not the only one in drama. That this first 2 laps of the race he's rejoined, but he's almost plumb last, I think. So flashing the headlights, looking to come through and get a race victory is Dan Rowbottom, who has had pace all weekend long, hasn't probably quite had the results that he would have ideally hoped for, and that started yesterday in qualifying. But can he end the season? His first with the Team Dynamics outfit on a real hard with getting a race victory here. Well, it's going to be a real battle this, and Colin Turkington heads for the pit, so I'm afraid the driver second in the championship, the 4-time champion, is going to have a disappointing end to 2021 for more reasons than one. He's out of the race and into the pits for Colin. So can his teammate Stephen Jelly cheer the team up by getting a race win here and fending off the driver that's beaten Colin Turkington to the 2021 title? Ash Sutton will wait and find out, because the top 3 are all together as they make their way over Clark Curve over the line. It's Jelly, Sutton and Rowbottom, the top 3. Chilton next up in 4th place, having dropped back a bit, and then Josh Cook. The race, wouldn't it? So getting a replay on the big screen about Ash Sutton got into that second place, because he didn't see it at the time, but he got out the inside on the run out of Westfield and up towards Sheen Curve. That's how it looked if you're near a big screen from the onboard camera. So 4th to 3rd right off the line, and then 3rd to 2nd later on the first lap of the race. And now trying to be in first place, because he's right underneath the rear wing of Stephen Jelly, the top 3 together here, and Ash Sutton has drawn alongside for the lead of the race. The champion might take down Rowbottom with him as well, and it's 3 place, but Chilton is there. Can he get a podium finish? He has had a sniff of a podium this year, but he's there at this final race of the season, and it's side by side again between Jelly and Cook. Jelly gets back down the inside of him, coming into Westfield. Rory Butcher and Tom Ingram have joined the party as well in the Toyota and the Hyundai respectively. They're bringing others with them as well. Stephen Jelly getting back to the front of that queue, and then losing a place on the way to Sheen. I'm afraid it's Josh Cook, the heavier car, because Tom Ingram followed Stephen Jelly through, and that's fourth there for Jelly, fifth for Ingram, and back down to sixth place for Josh Cook.
Colin, a retirement out of the car. Something's broken on the right rear of the car. I couldn't quite hear what his engineer was saying on the radio, but instruction given for Colin to get out of the car. Very, very disappointed when he got out.
Yeah, but it was. It's just not been the day he wanted, as Tom Ingram's been a spin, gets going and rejoins. The end of the season been pretty good for Aidan, but today, this weekend's been a little bit tough to take, but he's shown improved speed in that car, getting to a sort of real-world drive.
Look how dark it is out in the woods, man.
It's second season of the Infinity for Laser Tools Racing, and then we've got this battle for fourth place still roaring on, raging on. The top three a little bit more spread out now, potentially. Although it's Rowbottom down, this lap it looks good. The 1 second difference between first and
safety car.
the previous lap. The gap now comes down, or up, comes down to 8 tenths of a second, because Dan Rowbottom's just at the fastest lap of the race, but the safety car